લાસ્ટ સેશનની અંદર આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 7 કમ્પ્લીટ કરેલો હતો. નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 8. Amidhara is that is 29 of your book. Amidhara is director employee of a Mumbai based company. She furnished the following information for assessment year 2021. Basic salary 15,000 per month, which was increased rupees 18,000 with effect from 1/7/2019. Dearness allowance is 50% of basic salary. Other allowances, education allowance 400 per month for 2 children. Hostel allowance 1,000 per month for 1 child studying in a hostel. Entertainment allowance 800 per month. Motor car engine capacity 1.4 liter also provided her, which is used for both the purpose. All the expenses are borne by the employee. She has been provided a residential flat which is paying rent rupees 9,000 per month. So rent is 9, accommodation is on rent. The company has provided household appliances costing rupees 3 lakhs. Furniture for which company is paying monthly rent rupees 5,000. She retired on 31/12/2019. This is very important for us. She retired after the completing 34 year and 9 months service. Retirement, the company paid the following: gratuity 5,60,000, leave encashment 1,80,000, refund of recognized provident fund 4,29,376. The following deductions were made from her: recovery of loan 24,000 taken for construction of her house, professional tax 1,800, income tax 16,000, PF contribution 15% of basic salary. This is only basic, not DA. LIC premium 8,000. Next, token rent for accommodation provided per month is 1,000. On 1/2/2020, she joined another company at Ahmedabad at a consolidated salary 30,000 per month. Professional tax deducted 4,000 per month. So, બે એમ્પ્લોયર આવશે. ફર્સ્ટ સેલેરીનું સ્ટેટમેન્ટ બનાવશે. સ્ટેટમેન્ટ શોઈંગ ટેક્સેબલ ઇન્કમ ફ્રોમ સેલેરી ઓફ મિસિસ અમિધારા. Basic salary. First, basic salary. $15,000 per month, which is increase 18,000 with effect from 1/7. So, note number 1, basic salary from 1/4/2019 to 30/6/2019, basic salary was 15,000. From 1/7/19 to he is retiring on retired થાય છે 31st ડિસેમ્બરના, એટલે એની સેલેરી 31st ડિસેમ્બર સુધી મળશે. That is 18,000. 15,000 multiplied by 3, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, 6 months. 15,000 multiplied by 3, 45,000. 18,000 multiplied by 6, 10,08,000. Total 1,53,000. Basic salary 1,53,000. Next, second, dearness allowance, that is 50% of basic pay 1,53,000 and now 50% 76,500. Third, other allowance, education allowance, that is 400 per month for 2 children, 100 per month per child, up to 2 child, that is 200 per month is exempted, multiplied by 12. So 200 is taxable, multiplied by 12, 2400 is total taxable. Next, hostel allowance. Hostel allowance is rupees 1000 per month minus only her one child is studying in a hostel, so 300 per month, 700 per month is taxable, multiplied by 12, 8400 is total taxable. Next, entertainment allowance, totally taxable because she is private employee, so this is multiplied by 9, not 200 multiplied by 9, that is 1800, because he is retiring on 31st December. 700 multiplied by 9, 6300. Education entertainment allowance 800 per month multiplied by 9, 800 multiplied by 9, 7200. Next, fourth, motor car facility. Note 2, motor car less than or equal to 1600, greater than 1600, expense paid by employee, expense paid by employee. 600, 900, 1800, 2400. Here car capacity is 1.4 liter, that is less than 1600, and all the expenses are beared by employee. So 600 per month is taxable. Driver is not given, so 600 per month multiplied by 9 months, that is 5400. Motor car facility 5400. Next, fifth, accommodation facility. Working note number 3, accommodation. First of all, we have to find out BABC, basic 1,53,000. DA is not part of retirement benefit, so DA consider nahi thai. Education allowance 1800, hostel allowance 6300, entertainment allowance 7200, બોનસ અને કમિશન એના વિશે કોઈ ઇન્ફોર્મેશન નથી. સો 1,53,000 પ્લસ 1800 પ્લસ 6300 પ્લસ 7200, that is 1,68,300 is BABC. 1,68,300 is BABC. House is on rental basis. Value of unfurnished house. House is not owned by company, employer, so minimum is taxable. First, 15% of BABC. BABC 1,68,300 and now 15%, 24,25245. Second, rent paid. Rent paid by company. Company paying 9,000 rent for flat. 9,000 multiplied by 9, 81,000. Out of this, value of unfurnished 25,245. plus 10% of furniture. Furniture ની વેલ્યુ આપેલી છે 3 lakhs, એના 10% divided by multiplied by 9 divided by 12. 3 lakhs in a 10% multiplied by 9 divided by 12, that is 22,500, plus rent paid for appliances rupees 5,000 per month. 5,000 multiplied by 9, 45,000. Total 25,245 plus 22,500 plus 45,000, 92,745 minus recovery from employee 1,000 per month, that is 9,000 minus 9,000, 83,745. 83,745. 6. Accommodation perk is 83,745. Next, she retired on gratuity. Working note number 5. Here gratuity is not covered under Payment of Gratuity Act. So last 10 months average salary, last 6 months 18,000, last 4 months 12,000, sorry 15,000. So 15 multiplied by 4, 18 multiplied by 6, that is 60,000. 18 multiplied by 6, that is 1,08,000 plus 60,000, 1,68,000. Minimum from following is exempted. First, actual received. Actual gratuity received by him is 5,60,000. Second, salary, last 10 month average multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by service year. So last 10 month average salary is 16,000, 1,68,000 divided by 10, 16,800. 16,800 multiplied by 1/2 multiplied by service year, 34 year, 9 month. 9 month is not considered. 16,800 multiplied by 34 divided by 2, that is 2,85,600. Third, maximum 20 lakhs exempted 285,600 and taxable. Actual received minus exempted. Actual received 5,60,000 minus 285,600. 2,74,400 is taxable. Leave encashment exempted up to rupees 3 lakhs. leave encashment, totally exempted. Refund from PF account, totally exempted. Recovery of loan, પ્રોફેશનલ ટેક્સ ડિડક્શનમાં આવશે, PF કન્ટ્રીબ્યુશન પણ ડિડક્શનમાં આવશે, LIC પ્રીમિયમ ATCમાં, ટોકન રેન્ટ, કોન્સોલિડેટેડ રેન્ટ, પાછી સર્વિસ જોઈન કરી અને એટલે કોન્સોલિડેટેડ પે, that is from 1st February, તો ફેબ્રુઆરી અને માર્ચ 2 મંથ માટે 30,000 મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ બાય 2, that is 60,000. Total of this is gross salary 60,000 plus 1,53,000 plus 76,500 plus 1,800 plus 6,300 plus 7,200 plus 5,400 plus 83,745 plus 2,74,400, 668,345, 668,345 less specified deduction, standard deduction, that is 50,000, professional tax that is 1,800 and also deducted from second job, that is 400, 1,800 plus 400, 2,200. Total of this is 52,200. 6,68,345 minus 52,200, that is 616,145. 616,145. This is taxable salary. This is your answer. Here our sum is completed. In next session we will start our next example. Thank you.